Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the monitor's native resolution. That's the target you want. Once done, make sure the cable and port support that resolution and refresh rate. Using an older HDMI cable can force lower modes. You should update or check the GPU driver now so the system recognizes display modes correctly. Then open your operating system's display settings. You will change resolution there. This gets you into the exact control panel where the actual fix begins. You pick the native resolution in the display panel and apply it. This forces pixel-perfect scaling. Next, set the refresh rate to the highest mutually supported value. Higher refresh rates can require different cables or ports, so switch if needed. If scaling options exist, choose 100% or native scale to avoid blurriness. Once you apply, inspect edges, text, and UI for sharpness. If everything looks correct, confirm the change. Otherwise, revert immediately and troubleshoot cabling or driver issues. You finalize by calibrating scaling and color so elements match the new resolution. This prevents oversized text and washed-out visuals. Then reboot to let settings persist. Make sure the monitor OSD still shows the chosen resolution and refresh rate. If something goes wrong, try a different certified cable or another display port, because faulty cables often limit resolution. As a key troubleshooting tip, roll back or reinstall the GPU driver in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.